Hey friends, if you wish to install NVIDIA drivers on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Go to the NVIDIA website or just search for NVIDIA drivers in the search bar and then go to the NVIDIA website. Okay, then select accept all. Now you will have to search for the exact drivers. Now since I have an NVIDIA graphics card in my system, I will choose it accordingly, but you can decide according to your requirements. So click on this and select NVIDIA RTX, and then we are doing a manual driver search. I'll go to NVIDIA RTX series notebooks, and then I will select the NVIDIA RTX drivers. Okay, and then I click on find. Okay, once I find it, I will click on this option to view it, and then I will click on download. Now it will start downloading and you have to click on open. I won't click on open, otherwise it will override the current drivers, but you have to click on open and that's all you have to do. It will automatically install the NVIDIA drivers on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.